If your Nvidia-powered PC is suddenly dropping FPS or stuttering in games, don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and reliable fix that works in 2025. These steps refresh your graphics settings, clean up corrupted shader cache files, and ensure you're running the right Nvidia driver. Let's get straight into it. First, go to your desktop and right-click anywhere on the screen. Select Show More Options and then open the Nvidia control panel. If you don't see it, you can also search for it in the Start menu. Once the control panel is open, look to the left side and click Manage 3D Settings, then make sure you're on the Global Settings tab. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Open the drop-down and set this to Disabled. This temporarily clears out potential corrupted shader data that can cause FPS drops. After selecting it, click Apply in the bottom corner. Now go ahead and restart your computer so the change takes effect. When your PC boots back up, open the Start menu, search for Nvidia, and launch the official Nvidia app. From the left side menu, click on Drivers. Here, choose the driver type that fits your setup. Game Ready driver if you mainly play games, Studio driver if you do more creative or productivity work. Click Download, then install the latest driver once it finishes. Updated drivers often fix performance dips and stability issues automatically. Next, head back to the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it, then click Cleanup System Files. After it reloads, scroll through the list and make sure DirectX Shader Cache is checked. This clears out old or corrupted shader data left behind by previous driver versions. Click OK, delete the files, and let it finish. Once that's done, reopen the Nvidia control panel, go back to Shader Cache Size, and this time set it to Driver Default. Hit Apply, and then restart your PC one more time. After the second restart, you should notice smoother gameplay, more stable FPS, and overall better Nvidia performance. These steps refresh your graphics environment from top to bottom, and for most people, it completely eliminates the drops and stutters. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments. I always love hearing your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.